Honorable Presiding Officer, Vice Governor Ting-Ting Garin, my esteemed colleagues, fellow workers in the government, distinguished guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am humbled and honored to stand before you today as I conclude my term as an ex-officio member of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, representing the Liga ng mga Barangay in the Province of Iloilo. Allow me to express my profound gratitude to my fellow Ilonggos for giving me the opportunity to serve. The journey was not without struggle and heartaches. My courage, strength, and faith has been tested. But your support in me has made me overcome these obstacles. I can say that my years in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan were years of fulfillment, having been able to serve you to the best of my ability. At this point, I would like to thank everyone who has been part of my journey for the last 5 years. First and always foremost is God, who is the source of our strength, wisdom, and talent that we have. The Lord's graciousness has allowed to achieve everything that I have now, and I am eternally grateful. Thank you to my family who has been my pillar of strength, my source of inspiration, and who have supported me all these years. To our Governor Arthur R. Defensor Jr., thank you for helping us in accomplishing our goals in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan and the Liga ng mga Barangay. To all our district representative in the Province of Iloilo, Congresswoman Janet Garin, Congressman Michael Gorosita, Congressman Lawrence Defensor, Congressman Raul Tupas, and most especially to Congressman Ferdinand Beron, thank you for unwavering support to the Liga Province. To our exemplary leader, presiding officer, Vice Governor Ting-Ting Garin, and my fellow board members, Board Member Nuli Distura, Board Member Matt Palabrica, Board Member Carol Espinosa, Board Member Ramon Suliano, Board Member Domingo Oso, Board Member Juan, Board Member Balsira, Board Member Nito Kahilig, Board Member Mundihar, and Board Member Bianca Quinto, I am privileged to have worked with you. You have tremendously contributed to my personal and professional growth in public service. To the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Secretariat, headed by Atty. Raolis Chusayco, thank you for helping us and making sure that our day-to-day activities in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan are conducted seamlessly. To all the Liga ng mga Barangay Presidents, punong barangays, and barangay officials in the Province of Iloilo, thank you for your dedication in the Liga, which brought stronger ties between barangays. Lastly, I would like to thank my staff for their loyalty, dedication, and hard work, and for joining me in this journey for over 5 years. I will be forever grateful for the opportunity to have a role in the transformation of our visions and ideas for the barangays in the Province of Iloilo into reality. Sa liwat sa inyong tanan, madamo igit na salamat, advance Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to all of us. God bless and thank you so much. Good afternoon.